This is the easiest hairstyle I've made in a very long time, like a very long time. I'll be teaching you guys how to do it. If you came from this particular video previously where I taught about this hairstyle, this is like a continuation from it. Now, I've done the back. I only removed the beads from that particular hairstyle. And now I'm going to continue with the front. In order for you to do this hairstyle, again, just like I said in the previous video, you need to keep your hair hydrated and moisturized. The first thing I did was to first spray my hair with water. I went ahead with my leave-in conditioner, and then I decided to detangle my hair before plaiting it. Okay, so if your hair is like really dry, you can go ahead with a butter or oil to seal in the moisture, right? I did not do that because my hair already had product in it. Okay, so now the whole point is to start your twist from the root. If you like, you can decide to braid from the roots if you want your hair to last for a longer period of time. I think I'll be styling my hair more this period, so I just needed something really simple I can easily take down and play around with. So I twisted from the root. Divide each of the section into two. Twist tightly from the root. No matter how tightly you want to twist from the root, as long as you're twisting from the root, it's not going to be tight. You're not going to feel it. Okay, I don't know how to explain that, but people that knows. Whenever you get towards the mid of the hair, then you can loosen up your twist, like loosen it up. So the way you would normally twist tightly, you want to loosen up your pattern, right, your technique, so that it looks like you're just playing around with the twist. But from the root, make it tight. Do the tight twist pattern like you would normally twist your hair. But once you're getting to the middle, loosen your twist. As you can see what I'm doing here, it is just very loose. I'm just like crisscrossing. Is that crisscrossing? I'm just like crossing the twist on each other, the hair on each other rather. So by the time you drop it, it gives that bounce. People who this hairstyle might favor really well are people with a tighter curl pattern, like those in the 4 category. I am not saying if you have a looser curl pattern, it's not going to come out this well. It will come out, but it's not going to look like this. I am saying this because I do not know what to say to you if you have a looser tight curl pattern and then you tell me you tried this hairstyle and it did not come out the way it's supposed to come out. If your hair is relaxed, you have 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 2C, those kind of hairs right? Curl patterns, you cannot make this hairstyle. I'm sorry. But those in the 3 and the 4 categories can. And it might still not come out that well, except you are like really, like you have really tight curl pattern like this. Do you get? So products might work for you. You might try out curling creams and so on, but honestly the whole point of this hair is the kind of curl pattern you have and how thick your hair is. Basically, you can have a scanty hair and it will still work, but if you have a 4A category, I think I'm already explaining this thing too much. I just really hope you all understand what I'm trying to say, right? So you can try it out. I would love you to try this hair out and drop your picture, your results in the community, right? On YouTube, we can all communicate together. There's a group chat there, which is the community, right? YouTube made it easy for us, so please let's make use of it. Drop your own hairstyle there if you've made yours. Again, hydrate, moisturize your hair, seal in if necessary, detangle your hair, and then twist from the root upward. Tight twist from the root. It will not affect your scalp, don't worry. It's nothing too tight, but just so that it can hold the loose twist properly. Okay, then loosen your twist while you're getting towards the middle part of the hair, and then towards the end, once you get to the tip, tighten it just a bit so that it does not lose. Okay, now that is that. If you've gotten to this part of this video, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like this video so it can be recommended to other people. Please, I did a viral video. You should help my life, help me and share the video. Thank you, and God bless you. For those people who have been on my channel, you know I'm just recovering, and honestly this hairstyle is just what has helped my head. This is not tight, it was not stressful to make, it was just very easy to make. I just spent about 3 hours making this hair. I know that's a lot for some people, but my hair texture, my hair length is hard to work with. Detangling is already a whole lot of time for each of this part. I think I have about 30 something on my hair. I think about 36 thereabout. So it wasn't like much at all on my head. So yours might be smaller, yours might be more. Yes, you can do this kind of loose twist with smaller sections. It's still going to come out well. Now, this is not a very perfect hairstyle. As you can see, the lines are not exactly perfect. Again, I'm just recovering. I did not have time to set mirrors to look, so I did this hairstyle following the normal part that was already on my head. I've had that parting on my head. A male friend actually helped me part my hair since like last year, June, July, and I've just been following that particular pattern ever since with different hairstyle. Now I added beads, and this is what I have, and it looks really good. This time I did not go heavy on the beads. Again, I'm recovering. I don't need anything too dramatic, and this just elevated the whole look and just made it look really, really, really good. And yeah, so this is what we have. Let me know if this hairstyle was easy to understand. Let me know if you're gonna try this hairstyle. Let me know what you think about the hairstyle. Is it beautiful? Is it ugly? What would you prefer I would have done instead? Or just let me know. Again, try out the hairstyle, post it on the community, and yes, I would love to see your hairstyles. Okay, so if you got to this part of this video, please like this video so it can be recommended to other people. Subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.